Introduction. MySQL is a popular open-source relational database management system. Key feature is the ability to relate data from different tables using join statements. This lecture aims to provide an understanding of MySQL joins for beginners. Main concepts. Join clause in SQL combines rows from two or more tables based on a related column. Allows querying data from multiple tables as if the data resides in one table. Types of joins. Inner join, left join, right join, full join. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Left join returns all records from the left table and matched records from the right table. Right join returns all records from the right table and matched records from the left table. Full join returns records when there is a match in either table. MySQL doesn't support full join directly. Important tips and tricks. Always use aliases when your SQL query involves multiple data sources. Use the on clause to specify the relationship between tables. Left join and right join include records from one table even if there's no match in the other table. Joins can be resource intensive if not used properly. Only join necessary tables and columns. Practice is key to mastering joins. Create your own tables and write join queries. Conclusion. Understanding joins is crucial for working with relational databases like MySQL. Joins allow efficient retrieval and combination of data from multiple tables. Follow along with practical examples and exercises to reinforce the concepts and techniques. In the next lecture, we will delve into advanced MySQL topics, such as subqueries and stored procedures.